Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. Interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. We're going to get started and we're going to see how we did. I need to get a couple of videos done because tomorrow is my birthday and we are going out of town tonight to celebrate my birthday this weekend. So let's get started and let's see how we did. So for our budget from January 31st through February the 6th, in our expense category, we budgeted $1,250 for our mortgage and our utilities, $143 for our homeowner's warranty, $116 for our life insurance, $48 for our gym fee, $15 for our LLC, $13 for Canva Pro, $13 for Kindle Unlimited, $8 for HP Ink, and $2 for Google Storage. That came up to $1,608. In our actual category, we spent $1,792 on our mortgage and our utilities, which was a difference of $542, and I will explain it at the end of the video. $143 for our homeowners warranties, $116 for our life insurance, $48 for our gym fee, $15 for Google LLC, $13 for Canva Pro, $13 for Kindle Unlimited, $8 for HP Ink, and $2 for Google Storage. That came up to a total of $1,250, which was an overage of $542. We budgeted $490 for our cash envelopes, $375 for our sinking funds, $50 for our savings challenges, and $20 for our extra backup money. That came up to $935. In our actual category, we spent $435 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $55, $375 in our sinking funds, $50 in our savings challenges, and $20 in our extra backup money. That came up to $880, which was a difference of $55. In our income versus our expenses, we estimated our income. We had the income budgeted at $1,950 plus the rollover $650. The income we budgeted was $2,600. Minus the expenses of $1,608, minus the cash envelopes of $490, minus the sinking funds of $375, minus the savings challenges of $50, and minus the extra backup money of $20, that left a remainder of $57. In our actual category, our income came up to $2,600, which was the total, minus the expenses of $2,150, which was a difference of $542, minus the cash envelopes of $435, which was a difference of $55, minus the sinking funds of $375, minus the savings of $50, and minus the extra backup money of $20. That left us a balance of a negative $430, which was a negative savings of $487. We did take that money out of our rollover to get that paid for. So we're not actually in the negative, and I will explain that at the end of the video. In our budget from February the 7th through February the 13th, in our expense category, we budgeted $425 in our extra payment, $196.52 for our car insurance, $71.40 for Google Fiber, $48 for our gym fee, $29.75 for Terminex, and $16.15 for Audible. That came up to $786.82. We budgeted $550 for our cash envelope, $675 for our sinking funds, $150 for our savings challenges, $150 for our backup funds, $100 for our rollover, and $50 for our extra backup money. That came up to $1,675. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $3,668.95, minus the expenses of $786.82, minus the cash envelopes of $550, minus the sinking funds of $675, minus the savings challenges of $150, minus the backup funds of $150, minus the rollover of $100, and minus the extra backup money of $50. That left a remainder of $1,207.13. And again, I will explain that at the end of this video. So fam, as you can tell, it looks like we had some overages and some shortages for this week. So here's the deal on that. For our mortgage, we had a escrow shortage of almost $500. So what I decided to do is to pay the entire escrow shortage along with the mortgage, and then I paid a little extra on the mortgage and a little extra toward the escrow. The reason being is because they were trying to take our mortgage up. However, our mortgage will go up just a little, but not as much as they were trying to take it up. And I am hoping that they adjust everything. I do pay a little extra toward the escrow and toward my principal every month when I pay our mortgage, but this hit was ridiculous. So that is where all the extra overages came from. It was the escrow shortage. So I'm trying to get it to the point where I don't have to worry about escrow shortages in the future. I'm paying more than what I was originally paying extra toward the mortgage so that I can not have to deal with this next year. As far as the amount left at the end of this week, that will go back into our buffer. As far as our rollover and our backup funds, that is going to go toward that. I also had a eye doctor appointment and I did need to get some glasses. So some of that money is going toward the glasses, or has already went toward the glasses. I did pay half down on my glasses, plus all the money for the testing and things they had to do. However, I am going to have to go see a specialist to see about maybe a donor transplant on my cornea on the left side. So that will also go toward that. So I'll be saving money to go toward all of these things. So if you see my buffers are large as far as my backup fund and my rollover money and some of my leftover, that's because that's going toward that. So because I don't know how much I'm going to have to pay. Also, we will be adding on to our debt because we have some sewage issues. So we're going to have to get that taken care of. I'm aiming for the 21st to get it done and get it out the way. So that is what's happening with our budget. It's crazy and it's all over the place. So that's where we're at. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and join the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.